Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Mohit Izhar and my group fellow is Abdul Rahman, and this is our project evaluation under the supervisor Muhammad Rana Ajmal. And the purpose of this video is about evaluating or displaying our web development project and all the things that we learned during this semester. So what our Sir Rana Ajmal was very in on us for making a website for a client, a real time client. तो उसकी basis पे हमने जो है एक web app और website बनाई है. And the project title and the client we had was Nasir Motors. Nasir Motor is a automobile industry or business owning company that works and in the sales and vehicular distribution for three companies, which is Kama, Joylong, and Kinwin. So Nasir Motor gets and outsource these products of these companies and sell it in Pakistan. All the functionalities that we dealt with were firstly कि एक catalog based उनको जो थी they wanted a website जो कि catalog or quotation based हो, associated with e-commerce but does not sell the products directly by a cart or something. चेकआउट नहीं कर सकते आप. You need to get product, आप products देखते हो catalog के अंदर, the website acts as a catalog and you can get quotations on that. So that was our first goal, to provide a quotation based catalog based e-commerce website.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Abdul Rahman and I'm going to show you guys our project Al Nasir Motors. So here we can just go to the Google and type Al Nasir Motors. Here we can see our website is ranked number 1 on the Google because it is completely SEO optimized. So we can just click on it and here we can see our website is loaded. This is the home page of our website. I'm just going to scroll through it. So here we can see we can explore all the vehicles, which includes mini trucks, light trucks, jumper trucks and all that. Furthermore, we can also see the CHTC brands in Pakistan, which includes Kama, CHTC, and Kinwin buses as well. Further, we can get Al Bashir custom fabrication, where the users can get the customized vehicles as well. Here, the users can also request a quote, and either they can find a dealer according to their location. Now we can see here are the client reviews. The clients can view all the testimonials and share their experience as well. Now we move to the products page, where we can see all the vehicles. So these products are listed on this page, where we can search the vehicles and we can filter them, and we can just filter by their categories as well and by their brands as well, and we can clear all the filters as well. And here we can also compare them side by side. We can just select any one of them and just compare them, and here we can see all of their specifications side by side and choose the best for us. And here we can get a quote for a specific vehicle as well, and we can just mention our details, mention our phone number, mention our request type, which can be brochure request or a quote request. And here we can select the vehicle category, which includes the buses, and we're going to select the bus type, which is 12.5 meter bus. And here we can mention our requirements. So we can just submit our request and we will get an email notification. So we can just check our inbox on the Gmail. So here we can see we have received our notification about the inquiry confirmation. Here we can get the reference number. We can just copy this reference number from here and paste here to see our track inquiry status. So here the status of our inquiry is received. We can also see the details of our products specifically by opening them, and we can see all of their pictures, interior and exterior as well. उसके बाद आप यहाँ पर जो है इसकी सारी डिटेल्स देख सकते हैं, सीट लेआउट डायग्राम देख सकते हैं और उसकी स्पेसिफिकेशंस को देख सकते हैं. फर्दर अगर हम दूसरे पेजेस पे मूव करें तो यहाँ पर कामा, किनविन और जॉयलोंग, ये तीन जो ब्रांड्स हैं उनकी लाइनअप को भी आप यहाँ पर जो है वो एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं और उनके बारे में कोटेशंस देख सकते हैं. नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द फैब्रिकेशन सेक्शन, तो यहाँ पर अलबशीर कस्टम फैब्रिकेशन की सारी डिटेल्स मेंशन है. यहाँ पर मैं उनकी ओरिजिनल वेबसाइट को विजिट कर सकता हूँ, द सर्विसेज दे प्रोवाइड, द डिटेल्स ऑफ देयर क्लाइंट्स and the people behind Al Bashir Custom Fabrication. Now, if we move to the Find a Dealer section, तो यहाँ पर एक डीलर मैप है जिसके थ्रू मैं डीलर्स को देख सकता हूँ. यहाँ पर हम डीलर्स को सर्च कर सकते हैं by their dealer names and cities. We can just filter them by their provinces and the dealer types as well. If we just click on any one of the dealer, we can see their details, their phone numbers, their location, and the map as well. Now, if we talk about the after sale section, तो यहाँ पर मैं services और parts की request कर सकता हूँ. We just mention our details, the phone number, the request type, either it is spare parts inquiry or service request. So we can just mention the model of our vehicle and the parts that we require. So I am just sending it. So we can just submit our request and we can just move to the track inquiry. page where we can track our inquiry by using the reference number that we get through an email. So here the status currently we have is received. Now if we talk about the admin panel, I can just enter my email and password. Now I can just sign in. Here comes the dashboard of our admin panel where I can see the total products, the total inquiries and all that. Here comes the recent inquiry section in which I can just click on it, and here I can see all the inquiries details. Here I can also update the status of inquiries to in review and responded and just save them. So now I can also export the inquiries from this option and it will be saved as an Excel sheet. Now if we again go back to the dashboard section, here I can see the announcement section in which I can just mention the message which will be displayed on the client side and I can just turn it on and save it. Now if we just see on the client side and reload the website, I can see the announcement banner is now showing on the top of the client side. Furthermore, we can also see the analytics of our inquiries, the inquiries per day, the inquiry type breakdown, the top cities by inquiry volume, and all that. Furthermore, I can also see our inventory products where all the details of the products are mentioned. I can just edit them, their brand, their name, category, model, and short descriptions, and all that. And I can just save them. Now here, I can also add new products as well, their details, and I can just create them. I can see here is option of categories. I can also add a new category from here as well and delete the old ones as well. And I can see the dealer section. यहाँ पर मैं उन डीलर्स की डिटेल्स को एडिट कर सकता हूँ, यहाँ पर उनको डिलीट कर सकते हैं और नए डीलर्स को भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. फर्दर मोर इफ यू सी द अगेन इंक्वायरी सेक्शन है. इसके अलावा हमारे पास न्यूज़ एंड पोस्ट सेक्शन है जहाँ पर जितने भी न्यूज़ हैं हम उनको ऐड कर सकते हैं और ये क्लाइंट साइड पर यहाँ पर हमारे पास न्यूज़ एंड इवेंट्स के सेक्शन में हमारे पास शो हो जाएंगी. इफ वी जस्ट सी कि हमारे पास यहाँ पर 3 न्यूज़ पोस्ट हैं और यहाँ पर भी 3 है, सो वी कैन जस्ट अगर डिलीट करें तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास जो है क्लाइंट साइड से भी वो डिलीट हो जाती है. इफ यू जस्ट रीलोड इट सो वी कैन सी यहाँ पर हमारे पास जो है वो डिलीट हो चुकी है. सो नाउ इफ वी मूव टू द कैरियर पोस्ट, तो यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं कि ये जॉब पोस्ट हैं. यहाँ पर हम कोई नई पोजीशन के लिए जॉब के लिए एक नई पोस्ट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं और यहाँ से जो क्लाइंट्स हैं वो हमारे पास कैरियर सेक्शन में आकर जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. They can just enter their details, their CV and cover letter and all that and let's just submit their application. So वो जो भी रिक्वेस्ट होगी वो हमारे पास यहाँ पर जॉब रिक्वेस्ट में यहाँ पर एप्लीकेशंस में शो हो जाएगी. So we can just also view them from here. We can just view their CV and we can just update their status to received, reviewed and shortlisted, whatever. We can also delete them as well. Now if we move to the team section, so we can just manage our team. Here comes the details of all the team members. We can also add the team members. We can also manage the admin users. We can give the access of admin panel to some users and we can also add a new admin from here. We can delete the old ones and the site settings, the most important thing. तो हेयर कम दी साइट सेटिंग, जहाँ पर हम जो भी डिटेल्स को चेंज करेंगे वो क्लाइंट साइड पे चेंज हो जाएगी. फॉर एग्जांपल ये अनाउंसमेंट बैनर है जो कि अभी हमने मेंशन किया. इसके अलावा ब्रांडिंग है, फुटर में लोकेशन है, कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन है जो कि क्लाइंट साइड पे शो हो रही है, उसको भी हम यहाँ पर जो है वो चेंज कर सकते हैं. फर्दर हमारे पास टेस्टिमोनियल सेक्शन है जो कि क्लाइंट साइड पे शो हो रहा है. यहाँ पर हमारे पास जो भी टेस्टिमोनियल्स होंगे जैसा कि यहाँ पर हमारे पास शो हो रहे हैं वो सारे इस एडमिन पैनल से जो है वो मैनेज हो रहे हैं. यहाँ पर हम उनको एडिट कर सकते हैं, उनका डिस्प्ले ऑर्डर चेंज कर सकते हैं, उनको सेव कर सकते हैं और नया टेस्टिमोनियल खुद से भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. So this is it. I hope you guys liked it. And if you liked it, just press the like button. And thank you for watching.
Talking about the client testimony, तो client की testimony भी हमें आ चुकी है. They're very satisfied with the product, and this was the overall, generalization of our website. Client is satisfied with that. We just need to, launch it on the domain abhi, and probably the moment this, website gets, the video gets uploaded, तो जो है हमारी इंशाल्लाह जो वेबसाइट है दैट विल बी, इवन तो द वेबसाइट इज स्टिल लाइव बट डोमेन नेम के साथ लाइव हो जाएगी. वी आर जस्ट वर्किंग ऑन दैट और वो क्लाइंट बेसिस के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. तो द टेस्टिमनी इज़ ऑल्सो अटैच्ड इन द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. Thank you guys for watching the video and thank you for the constant support of sir throughout this journey.